Tired of feeling heavy and low on energy during hot summer days, even while sticking to your gym, running, or yoga routine? Want meals that are light, delicious, and still help you achieve your fitness goals? Today, I'm going to show you 6 refreshing summer salads, nutritious and perfect for those looking to stay in shape without sacrificing flavor. These recipes are easy, satisfying, and tailored to give you energy and well-being, even in the highest temperatures. Curious to transform your summer meals into allies for your body and health? Then stick with me until the end, because these salads will revolutionize your fitness diet. Summer is amazing, but the heat can be a challenge for those who train, right? It brings bloating, tiredness, and that feeling that heavy meals just get in the way. That's where summer salads come in. They're light, refreshing, and packed with nutrients that keep you energized and focused on your goals. If you want meals that match your gym, running, or yoga routine, these salads are perfect. They're easy to make, satisfying, and help you feel light, even on the hottest days. Ready to discover these incredible recipes? Let's get straight to the point. First salad, the roasted vegetable salad, a complete meal to give you energy. The ingredients are 1 small potato, half a sweet potato, 1 cup of broccoli, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a mustard and honey dressing. Start by cutting the potato into small cubes and the sweet potato into larger pieces. This way, they cook together. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. When they're almost done, add the broccoli and tomatoes for another 5 minutes. Mix the still warm vegetables with a dressing of mustard, honey, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. This salad is rich in fiber and nutrients, ideal for keeping your energy up during workouts. Extra tip: bury the vegetables with zucchini or carrot for more color. Who's going to try this for post-workout? Tell us in the comments. Now, the summer salad, a Mediterranean touch to refresh you. The ingredients are 2 cups of arugula, half an avocado, 10 olives, 1/4 of a cup of semi-dried tomatoes, and a French dressing with olive oil, vinegar, and mustard. Chop the arugula, cut the avocado into cubes, and add the olives and semi-dried tomatoes. The dressing is simple. Mix olive oil, red wine vinegar, mustard, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. The avocado provides healthy fats, and the arugula brings lightness, perfect for those who do yoga or running. Tip: use sun-dried tomatoes if you can't find semi-dried ones, but in moderation. Ready to take this to lunch? Time for the Mediterranean salad, an explosion of flavor and nutrients. The ingredients are 1 small cooked potato, 2 cups of spinach, 50 grams of feta cheese, half a cucumber, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a lemon dressing. Cook the potato until soft, about 10 minutes, and cut into cubes. Mix with spinach, sliced cucumber, and crumbled feta cheese. The dressing: olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of oregano. Protein from the cheese and fiber from the vegetables, ideal for muscle recovery. Tip: adjust the quantities to balance flavors and colors. Who's going to share this with friends? The roasted beetroot salad is pure flavor and health. The ingredients are 2 small beets, 2 cups of arugula, 50 grams of feta cheese, 1/4 of a cup of walnuts, and a honey and vinegar dressing. Peel and cut the beets into cubes. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until caramelized. Mix with arugula, feta cheese, and walnuts. The dressing is honey, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. Rich in antioxidants, it's great for fighting post-workout fatigue. Tip: use gloves to peel the beets to avoid stains. Who's ready for this energy boost? The Caesar salad with grilled chicken, a fitness classic. The ingredients are 2 cups of romaine lettuce, 150 grams of grilled chicken, 1/4 of a cup of croutons, 2 tablespoons of parmesan, and a Caesar dressing with mustard, lemon, and garlic. Grill the chicken with salt and pepper, 5 minutes on each side. Chop the romaine lettuce, add croutons and parmesan. The dressing: Dijon mustard, lemon juice, crushed garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and olive oil. Pure protein for your muscles. Tip: add crispy lean bacon for an extra touch. Which workout pairs with this salad? To wrap up, the no mayo summer potato salad, light and tasty. The ingredients are 2 small cooked potatoes, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 50 grams of lean bacon, fresh herbs like parsley and chives, and a lemon dressing. Cook the potatoes until soft, about 10 minutes, and cut into cubes. Fry the lean bacon until crispy. Mix with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, parsley, and chives. Low in fat, rich in flavor, perfect for your fitness routine. Tip: berry with basil for a different twist. Who's going to try this for their next lunch? Now that you know these 6 incredible salads, how do you fit them into your fitness routine? Here are some tips to help you. First, roast vegetables or grill chicken on the weekend to save time. Second, use glass containers to keep the salads fresh, perfect for lunch at work. Third, adjust the dressings to keep it light, less is more. And fourth, try pairing them with your workout sessions, like the Caesar after weightlifting or the beetroot for yoga. These salads will leave you lighter, with more energy, and ready to rock the summer. Choose one of these recipes and start transforming your fitness diet today. So, what did you think? Today, you discovered 6 refreshing salads that will keep you in shape, full of energy, and ready to rock the summer. Don't let the heat bring you down. These recipes are easy, nutritious, and perfect for your fitness routine. Which salad are you going to try first? Leave it in the comments and share your results. If you liked it, give that awesome like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more tips like these. Want more fitness recipes? Check out the next video.